Hey, so let's talk a little bit about moisture in your windows, especially at this time of the year. We've got fall going on here. There's going to be three ways that your window is going to have moisture. First off, you're going to have rain on the outside. It comes through the screen, you're going to get wet. Yeah, whatever. That just happens. Second way is you're going to have in the wintertime, you can have moisture that, and even to the point of getting ice. This particular window won't ice up. It's a really good window, but we will get a little bit of moisture on super cold days where the inside temperature and humidity are high enough when the window is cool enough from the outside cold that we'll have a little bit of moisture that builds up, and you'll see water beating up here a little bit, and you might see a little bit of a water build up a little bit. That happens because of the temperature extremes, and pretty much any window, if the humidity in the house is high enough, will have that. But the most damaging or the most concerning one for most homeowners is, if you take a look at this, there is a spacer in there. That's about a 5/8 inch spacer, and there's a sheet of glass on the inside here and on the outside. So that is between two sheets of glass. That is a sealed system. There is an air of some sort or a gas of some sort. Some are argon, there's some that have got a krypton. There's just a variety of different things that they can put in there. And that increases, that sealed gas in there increases the R factor, or the insulation factor. Let's call it that, because they don't really go by an R factor when it comes to windows. But it makes it so it's a more efficient window for both heating and cooling. Once that seal has been compromised, the gases that are in there will leak out, and you'll start to see moisture build up. If it's really humid outside, you might see moisture kind of building up, and you'll have moisture here on the sides. Then you might have a big wet spot in the middle, and it's between the two panes. You can't reach it from this side, you can't reach it from the outside. That is basically a telling tale that your window has been compromised, and it is no longer anywhere as close to as efficient as it should be. And it's time to replace that window unit. Now, in many cases, like this is a double hung right here, we could just replace this single piece. We wouldn't have to replace the frame. Some windows, you can actually take the glass out and put in a new piece of glass. There's a variety of different ways to fix your windows when you have these issues. But ultimately, if you're having moisture between the two panes, between this inside and the outside pane, the window has been compromised, and you need to get that glass and or the whole window replaced.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.